everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Halifax Mastercard online with a few simple steps. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's get started with the video. Open up your preferred web browser on your computer or your mobile devices, and then go to the URL box and type in halifax.co.uk/activate and press enter on your keyboard. Doing so will directly take you to the Activate Your Credit Card Now page. Now scroll a bit down and then it'll exactly tell you how you can activate your credit card using the app online, or there are other ways you can check out in order to activate your card. Since we are doing it online, let's click on Activate Your Card Online. Soon after you do that, go ahead and click on Activate Your Credit Card button from this page. Now you'll be able to see that there are several text boxes which you should fill in order to activate and set up your credit card. First, you must have a credit card number. Your credit card number will be available at the front of your credit card, which is usually 13 to 16 digits long. Go ahead and type in your credit card number in the first text box. Make sure that you enter the valid card number, otherwise you won't be able to get to the next activate page. So after you type in your card number, you'll need to enter your date of birth information, enter your expiry date for the card, and then click on activate and follow the prompts till the end. Once you have your information correct, you'll be guided on further instruction from where you'll be able to activate your Halifax Mastercard online. That is how you can easily activate your Halifax Mastercard online with a few simple steps. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.